going to have to be really quiet because it's quite late, as you can see. Well, it's not that late, it's 10 o'clock. Basically, I filmed the intro to this video and then I deleted it just now, if you want to have a look. And then look, like literally just started editing it, went to go find my intro, and I've realised that I've just deleted it. So, as soon as I deleted it, I'd like to do the intro now. So, thank you for watching another one of my videos. If you like it, please like down below. Whilst you're down there, you might as well subscribe, turn that bell notification icon on, and if you would like a shout out in next Saturday's video, be sure to drop a comment. So, this week's shout outs are Alex Perode, as I say it. I'll show you. This guy. So, shout out to Alex Perode, I don't know. And I'll scroll down. Wait. I think yeah. And Engine Vids. If you can. So go check them guys out. Again, thanks for watching another video. This video is a bit all over the place because I didn't really have anything planned. I usually plan stuff for my videos, like, oh, I'm going to get the Fergie out, or oh, I'm going to do this on the Dexter. But this video didn't really have anything planned, so it was just like a normal day. So I just videoed what I did that day. Don't really know what I'm going to call it. So yeah, let's get back to editing. Why do I start all my videos in a wood now? I don't get it. I don't get it as much as you don't get it. Because for me, I have to go climb up this. It doesn't look that high, but it is, because this used to be a quarry. Now it's got trees in it. I really don't understand why I've decided to start doing my shout outs in a wood. Look, it don't look that high, but it's quite high. It's like a hill. Yeah. I'll give you a point of ref. Oh, it's going to go. So this is how steep the hill is. I have to keep climbing up and down to come in here just to do some shout outs. Whoa! Ooh, nearly broke my leg. So as you can see, it's a pretty steep hill. See, that's the commitment I give you guys. I'm committed. Jeez. So, grey Fergie wise, there it is. Haven't really got much to do today, but this battery cable I'm going to be taking off, so then we can like solder a new end to it. I think that's what my granddad said. So that's basically all we're doing on the Fergie, just taking this off so then it can eventually start itself rather than having to like connect a battery up to it. So yeah, as I said, this video might be a bit rubbish. Some people might like it, some people might not. It's just a bit of a normal day. I haven't really got much to do on the Fergie because I'm waiting for parts to come. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the cable I'm taking off. This one here is obviously dead. That one can just like get wanged, but I'll leave it there just so I know where to attach it to. So I'm taking off this cable. See, I'm trying to get you more involved, guys, rather than just keep you on tripod. I'm gonna get you in so you can see what I'm doing. Right, I don't actually know where this goes to. I'm guessing it goes to a solenoid, so I'll just lift this up. There we go. Slot that over there. So yeah. I'm going to need to get a torch. Oh, that's easy enough. It goes to a nut just here. I can see it, you can't see it, it's a bit dark. So yeah, I'll need to get that off. Cool, right, we'll get a torch and then we'll be back. Okay, so I've got a torch, so I'll just go. Taking it off. So I'll see if I can show you. Try not to cover the mic. Yeah. You see, it is. Right, I'm going to try and hold the torch. See if I can put the torch on somewhere. I'll get on there. Hold on. You see the mic? Ah, there we go. Get on there. Yeah, that's the nut that I need to get off. So, yeah. I think actually my fuel may be coming from here. It's got a bit of a fuel leak, so that might need tightening up. But it'll be right for now. So yeah, I'll get a tripod then I'll take it off. Wait, trusty Goodyear socket set. I lost one of my sockets and I'm really annoyed because it fell off that bench there and on the socket spilled out and I lost one. It'll be there somewhere, so when we move all that junk I'll be able to find it. So put that on there. Yeah, sockets. This cable off, I can put the sheet back on, put the sheet back on it, and then that's it really. See ya. Okay, so that's done for today. Not really much more we can do. So now we should just pack some stuff up and see what the jobs need doing. So then guys, sorry the video hasn't really been entertaining. It's just really been a normal day up here. I didn't have anything planned, but I wanted to keep the streak. We're 2 weeks in now, so I upload every Saturday now. I'm trying to, even if it's just a little one, if it's not really interesting. I appreciate all your comments, and remember, if you would like a comment, a shout out in next week's video, be sure to comment down below and I will read your comment. I won't read it, I'll read your name out, so you will get a shout out in next week's video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Really helps me out, I really appreciate it. So I'd like to thank you for watching another video, and I will see you next time.